As the alleged Ruta for Sale scheme may be prevalent in the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board or LTFRB, the Transport Group Manibela is asking the Congress and the Senate to serve as an independent body to conduct probe on the issue. Its National President Mar Valbuena explains that this is necessary for a fair investigation in order to get rid of the alleged corruption in the agency.
Kasi po, para makita natin kung hanggang saan at gaano katalamak yung korupsyon, di ba? Para mahubaran talaga to kasi kung sila lang din ang mag-iimbestiga, wala tayong makukuhang patas na investigasyon at justisya dyan.
Aside from suspended LTFRB Chairman Teofilo Guadis III, they also asked the administration for the suspension of Transportation Secretary Jaime Bautista and other regional directors of LTFRB as they were also involved on the alleged corruption.
Sino pa ba sa DOTR po ang kausap ni Chairman Guadis kundi si Secretary lang? At sino po ang pwedeng pumupunta sa Malacanang? Hindi ba si Secretary lang?
The Group Manibela will still pursue the transport strike on October 16, Monday, which is expected to be participated by more than 200,000 jeepney drivers nationwide. Mar Valbuena said they will gather their traditional jeepneys in front of LTFRB Central Office in Quezon City and in Malacanang to insist their call for the suspension of PUV modernization program.
Tuloy pa rin kasi ang goal natin dito yung panggigipit sa amin na yung deadline ng December 31 na araw-araw pinapanakot sa amin. Ibalik sa amin yung mga prangkisa namin.
In the previous statement of DOTR Secretary Jaime Bautista, he said that they have already launched an investigation on the allegations to LTFRB and Chairman Guadis. Secretary Bautista said that they do not condone corruption within the agency and its line agencies to ensure honest governance among its ranks. Meanwhile, DOTR Secretary Bautista designated LTFRB board member Attorney Mercy Jane Paraslanes as officer-in-charge chairman of the LTFRB with the suspension of Chairman Guadis. Her designation takes effect starting today, October 10, 2023 up to October 9, 2024 unless otherwise amended or superseded. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.